Hi everybody. The Glarry project's coming along really nice. I knew when I gave it Olivia it was going to come out awesome, and it is. Here is a little video of what Olivia's doing to it with the torch.
Okay, here we go. I was starting a spot I know is going to be covered. Whoa, don't turn up.
Doesn't take much at all now, does it?
No, it doesn't. I do want to kind of get a little bit of a line going there though. Because of the color there. And this is all going to be covered by pick guard.
Yeah.
So I'm not too worried about it yet, but I want to try to get, whoa. Come on, you got to burn even for me now. This don't have to be done, but I am going to bring it around it a little.
The burn really kind of brings out some features in the wood.
It really does. It brings out grain, it brings out color. And I'm not sure how far I'll go in certain spots, but right now I want to get the edges and get the dark look, and then bring it out some, sort of, so.
I was going to say you missed a spot. You got it.
Yeah. It's one hot baby. Say that's going to be covered, so I'm not too worried about it. It'll give me an idea how quick I need to move in other spots.
Yeah.
Oh, got in close. It's all right though.
Seems like some parts of it get charred quicker than other parts.
Yeah, it does. The grain makes it a little bit different, I think. And then I'm going over in some spots and letting it just get a little darker too.
Yeah.
I want to do this, but I want to do it really carefully. Stay back. Why are you being so iffy? Okay, let's look at that and see what we think now.
The next video will be the completed base. So stay tuned for that one. It's going to be something to see, I promise. Thanks for watching. Bye.